back, gold traders and investors. It's the ending week actually of July 24th, the year 2026. It's Friday. We're doing the market recap and an update for the week in the deployment of the frameworks and structures. We're looking now at the gold market. We've been looking at the gold market. Last week we thought there might be a bit of an opportunity for the market to nudge higher, and sure enough, it did. And then it traded right back down into the structures. You can see the structures and the support here running all the way over to L2. And it looks like we're at a place now in the gold market, given the structure, that aggressive shorts could be put on at the beginning of next week. And those are mostly the signals that we're seeing right now. We'll see how it goes on Sunday night, and then also the Monday morning London time frame. You can see the market's still underneath the 40 and 50-day moving average. You can see we briefly went up and above the market structures above and above some resistance, and then immediately fell back. The long wick is indicative of not a lot of conviction with those prices. The market was pushed back. Today was a really I don't know, like a slow drip sort of day. The market went both sides of unchanged. Um, Equities themselves were sitting at some really critical junctures. We have some structures there in the equities markets, but it looks like the lows that were set up here, you see some L2s that we have. Ordinarily, when those come out, if they don't hold, as an example, and we don't see the market rally sharply, and it doesn't look like it's going to, it looks like the 40, 50 days is capping it. We didn't do the sentiment analysis for this week. It's really not germane or even salient to the market structures, but it's nice to have it. I like to get a nice visibility overall, best that I can, as we all do, what the best information we can get. Sentiment again last week was pretty flimsy. In fact, it was outright bearish. We'll see what this week's sentiment is. We'll do an update later on next week because it looks like for sure we're going to see some sort of deployment, and we'll keep you up to date on that. We should have some ninja bots out there soon, very soon, out into the marketplace, and we should also have, you can look forward to some MT5. And I think what we'll do, we're really excited about this. We're thinking about just sending out some freeware initially, just sending some out there. We have some cohorts already signing up for testing. So I think we will do that. And we spent some time just brainstorming which ones will which one will we put out there. I want to share one where you all can understand a little bit more of the structures without giving away the ship, if you will. But we'll see how that goes. Look forward to that. You can see the structures here. This is just not so promising. The weekly structures look likewise. Ordinarily, when these L2s come out, when that support comes out, as they say in the Navy, look out below, right? It's going to be something else. This is a good time to use good risk management. So that's all we have for this week. Gold and metals markets in general were drifting lower, as you can see. So we'll check in with you early next week, possibly as soon as Monday. If we see some deployments, we'll do some updates and get some information out, actionable information out throughout. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Lupo. I'm the founder of Lupo Markets, and it's been a real privilege and an honor to come out and use the frameworks and also the communication mechanisms that we have to get out there and share. So, peace to you all. The Lord bless you. We'll talk to you soon. Shalom.